All right, nothing like a June snowstorm here in we're between Colorado Springs and Denver. I'm heading to Mile High Club. I have flip-flops on right now. It was 85 degrees when I left Kilgore's. It looks like we got a fair amount of snow on the road, and we got something off the road now. So, I mean, there was a lot of snow on the road. So this guy went off the road, and this is the hazard right now that my thing's currently showing me. Wow. Both went off the road. Other one might have been helping the other one out. So, welcome to Colorado in late June, folks. Crazy. I'm supposed to go camping tonight, but we'll see, I guess. I mean, look, I can't even imagine what happened up in the mountains. We're down in the Great Plains right now. We're not even in the mountains. The mountains are off to the left, and the weather is getting pretty crazy here. So, yep, I do have my boots and my shoes with me, so, and pants, so I will be okay. But this is nutty, completely insane. A June snowstorm, but I mean, you know, they're obviously used to it here, so no biggie for them. But there you go, freak snowstorm out of nowhere in June. But I guess not for them, freak for me, right? So